Hello, everyone. Dr. Deb Davies in the house. And I wanted to come and say hello to you because I had a really awesome day today. And what happened was I had my first mentorship call with a group of mentees from all over the country. And I'm doing this special Push Professionals mentorship for acupuncturists who want to become experts in pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. A lot of my colleagues seem to feel kind of like, I don't know, like an imposter or something because they feel so unconfident in how to care for pregnant women. And over the years, I've learned how, how easy it is, how simple. So I'm teaching that now to other acupuncturists so they can take better care of their patients. So I'm doing this because after years of being a birth doula, an acupuncturist, childbirth educator, I'm seeing some really scary things in statistics. So one of them being the maternal mortality rates of the United States. And of all the countries with all the money, the United States has one of the highest maternal mortality rates, and it keeps rising. And so there's something wrong with that, and there's something wrong with the system. And so my thought of helping people in this mentorship is for acupuncturists who are already on the front line out there treating, 70% of our patients tend to be women anyway. So pregnancy seems to be part of the natural cycle of life. You're going to have to treat it. So learning things like evidence-based research, learning resources, learning about policies and procedures and the standard of care and how it's set up and how it's really a good time for people to learn to stand up for themselves. And especially if a woman of color, we're seeing women dying and their babies 3 to 4 times the rate. So there's so much really going on in the real world, and there's so much we can do to help. So I'm just putting this out there. We're doing this awesome mentorship. I have a couple more spaces for a few stellar individuals that this really calls to, because we are on a mission. And my mission has always been to educate and empower expectant couples to have safe and healthy pregnancies, births, and recoveries by offering natural options in healthcare. And now as a mentor, I'm offering that to the acupuncturists, to the people who are seeing all the patients, and how you guys can become experts and boom your practices, as well as helping thousands of people that truly need us. We need to be the change that we see in the year to come. So please join me. You can check out my link, and I'd love to help and make a difference.